Want to block or unblock someone on Instagram, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to block and unblock other users on Instagram. Now let's get started. To block someone on Instagram, open the Instagram app and go to the person's profile by tapping their username or by searching for their page. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner of their profile. In the menu that appears, tap Block. If this user has done something wrong or offensive, you can block and report them at the same time. If you just want to block them, tap Block to confirm. Note that when you block someone, you will no longer follow each other. This user will no longer appear on your Instagram feed, and they won't be able to see your profile or posts. If you change your mind and want to unblock someone on Instagram, go to your profile and tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Blocked. Then tap Unblock next to the name of the person you want to unblock. Tap Unblock in the pop-up to confirm. If you want to follow them again, you can go back to their profile page and hit Follow. The user will have to choose to refollow you if they want to. That's all it takes to block and unblock other users on Instagram. Want to remove someone as a follower without blocking them? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.